just getting packed up here and about to leave in northwest Arkansas and headed to Florida for Tropical Depression 9 right now. We anticipate it's going to be a hurricane. South Florida for me is over 20 hours from here, and so I need to get down there in position for whatever this system may do. Made it to Florida now for Ian. We're still trying to figure out exactly what he wants to do, but I'm down here and we're going to continue to watch things this week and see how this develops. I'm down in Cedar Key, Florida right now, scoping out things. We know things are going to change in the coming days, but right now this is sort of the bullseye for the cone up here in the Big Bend area. So I'm out here scoping things out, seeing where we can be safely. This area where I'm at right now would be completely underwater because of the storm surge and the water coming up. Look here at the radar and see what we got. This is where we are. Owl's not far. In the marina here at Lashley Park in Punta Gorda, Florida, you can see the boats here with the water being sucked out by the incoming Hurricane Ian. You can see some water starting to come back in at this point in time. We're anticipating here in the next few hours when the system turns around the other direction, water's going to come in here and fill this thing up with maybe 12 foot above normal for the winds. Excuse me, for the water. Now all of a sudden the winds are blowing me over, so I'm having to hunker out. This is Charlotte Bay out here. And I mean, things are starting to we're real close to the eye wall. It hasn't actually got here. It's literally miles away at this point in time. I'm a pretty big dude, but at times this wind's almost taking me off my feet. It won't be long before, for me, I'll go back just a couple blocks from here to the protection. The eyeball is basically here in Punta Gorda now. Helmet time. Stay close to the parking deck right here so that no matter what, I can escape quickly. Wow. This is crazy. We are in the eye here of Ian, just a little south of Punta Gorda. Drove down here trying to see if I could find the clean part of it. Because it is a dirty eye, it's still a little breezy right here. I'd say sustained 10, 15 miles an hour, gusting to 20 or 30. Looks like we got roofs off of these places I want to get out. Come in real quick. You know, is everybody okay?
Yeah, I mean, we got a little mess, a little scratched up at the ceiling tree down on a couple of people.
But they're, I mean, just minor injuries?
Yeah, nothing crazy. I mean, I hope. I don't know. I think there was someone in that room, but that's the owner, I think, or the manager.
Yeah.
Is everybody okay?
Yeah, only this one guy is gonna hurt, but like, but everything is okay right now.
Right up,
Okay.
and I saw that everything was caved in. I was like, was that your dad that had it? Was that over? Yeah,
Okay.
father-in-law.
Oh, father-in-law.
Yeah,
okay. Yeah, is he okay though?
He is okay.
He had all that blood on him.
I'm sure he'll get checked out, right? He's okay though right now.
All right.
You're in the eye right now. You got the second half coming.
Oh.
So it's going to get probably not as strong, but you're going to have strong stuff on the back end. So we're going to put on some waders. Unfortunately, in this situation, we got no comms. I carry 2 different cell phone providers, so you can have backups. And most times that works. One may be down, but the other will work a little, and we can communicate, figure out things. In this case, both of them are out now.
And the water came in so fast, I didn't have time to do anything, so just rode it up. Yeah, the water was up to about, you can see right here.
Yeah, you can see on the cabinets and everything, you can see where it went to.
Yeah. So the second floor was about 1.5 feet up there, but it's done.
This is possibly where a tornado, according to one of the residents, but you can see all the debris here. One thing that makes me wonder a little is everything is pushed from my right to my left. Family in that brick house said all of that stuff over there was from this house, so it's all in one direction. From a non-meteorological perspective, it doesn't really matter. You know, the damage is the damage, whether it was straight line winds, a hurricane, or a tornado. Needless to say, their home is destroyed.